chapter number 14. The title of this chapter is patterns. This is the fifth part of this chapter. Okay, so already I told. So this video I am going to teach about even number. Even numbers. Even numbers. What is even number? What is even number? So first I am going to write the definition of even number. Those numbers which are which are divisible, which are divisible by 2, called even number. Even. This is the definition of even number. Those numbers which are divisible by 2 is called even numbers. How can we identify the given number is even or not? So when the given number, the unit place of given number is when unit or ones place of given number are, then unit or ones place of given number are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. When unit or ones place of given numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, it will be even number. Even number. So this is the definition and this is some example. In Hindi वैसा नंबर जो 2 से exactly divide हो जाए that is called the even number. That is called even numbers. अब कैसे जानेंगे? How can we identify the given numbers or given numbers are even number or not? If the ones place of given number 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, that these all numbers will be even. For example, so this is the definition, this is the example. Now I am going to clear this concept through some examples, through some questions related to even numbers. Question is find all the even numbers. Find all the even numbers. Question number 1. Question number 1 is from 2 to 12. Okay, I have written first question. Second question is find all the even. I am teaching about even numbers. So question is find all the even numbers of given question. First question is from 2 to 12. Second question is between 10 to 20. Okay, so we will try to know about how can we find the even number of given questions. So first I have written 2 questions. Through these 2 examples we will try to learn. Solve. From 2 to 12. So already I told, if the given number, if the unit place of given number, unit place means ones place number, if the ones place number of given number is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these all numbers will be even number. So we will write even number from 2 to 12. So we will write, this is solution: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. You can see that in question number 1, 2 and 12, these both number 2 and 12 are even number. Why? Because already I told 2 is even number, 2 is small prime number also, and 2 is small even number, and 12, in 12, 12 is 2 digit number, so ones place number is 2, so 100% sure this 12 is also an even number. So this is our answer. This is our answer, the first question. Now come to the second question. Second question is between 10 to 20. Between 10 to 20. So in question 10 and 20, these both are even number. Why? Because the ones place number is 0. Ones place number is 0. Ones place number is 0. The given these two numbers are even number because ones place number is 0. So when we will write the even number between 10 and 20, we will write the both given number also as an even number. Okay, so start the answer. Between 10 and 20. Okay, so we will write 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So these all are even number. This is the second answer of our question. You can see that ones place of each number is 0. You can see that in 10 ones place number is 0, in 12 ones place number or unit place number is 2, in 14 ones place number is 4, in 16 ones place number is 6, in 18 ones place number is 8, and 20 ones place number is 0. So already I told, if the given unit place or ones place number of given number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these all are, it will be, these all number will be even number. So this is some example of even number. Okay, now I am going to write, I have written one digit or two digit number. Now I am going to write some other questions also related to even number. Find the even number. Question number 3. Question number 3 is from 13 to 26. Okay, find the even number. Question number 3 from 13 to 26. So you can see that in question given number 2 digit number is 13 and the ones place number is 3, not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 13 is not even number. Which 13 which type of numbers we will discuss in next time. So we will not write 13 as an even number. So after 13 which number will come? 14. So in 14 the unit place or ones place number is 4. So we will start from 24 to write even number from 13 to 26. So we will write 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and finally 26, because in 26 the ones place number is what? Ones place number is 6. So 26 is also an even number. So this is our answer. This is our answer. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So these are our answer of this question number 3. Find the even, all even number from 13 to 26. Okay. Now come to the one more question. One more question is question number 4. Question number 4 is between between 565 to between 565 and 560 574. Okay, so in question number 4 we will find all even number between 565 and 574. So these are 3-digit numbers. So 5 is common, so we will not change the number of hundred place. Just we will see the number of ones place. So you can see that in 565 the ones place number is 5, so 5 is not even number. So we will start up which number will come after 65 when we count 66. So 66 is even number. We will start from 566 to write the answer of this question. 566, 567, 568, sorry, 500, 566, 568, 570, 572, and finally 574. So this is our answer. You can see that 566, 5 is common in all numbers, given number, or in our answer 500, because these are 3-digit numbers. So maximum value of the given number in 100 will be in 100. So 5 will be common in all numbers. So just we will see the ones place number 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. So 566, 568, 570, 572 and 574. This is our answer. This is our answer. So students, through this video we have learnt about even number of this chapter number 14, patterns. All of you will also do the practice of question even number. Thank you.